Pelican Storm iM2200 case with foam. Real review. Survived RPG shrapnel. Still perfect in 2025.
Picture this. You're boarding a tiny bush plane in Alaska. Your $8,000 camera kit is in a soft bag on your lap, and the pilot says, "Rough landing today." Or you're driving through a monsoon in Costa Rica, and everything in the truck bed is getting soaked. Or worse, you open your checked bag at baggage claim, and your drone is in 3 pieces because some gorilla decided to play shot put with your luggage. I've watched grown photographers cry at airport carousels. I've seen medics lose critical gear because a cheap case cracked at minus 40 degrees F. That sinking feeling when you realize your irreplaceable stuff just became expensive trash? That's the moment most of us finally admit soft bags and plastic bins were never enough.
Now multiply that one bad moment by every flight, every dusty trail, every time you throw your gear in the back of a truck and pray. You baby your equipment all year, spend thousands on lenses and drones, and then trust it to a $40 Amazon case that cracks the first time it's dropped from waist height? One cracked corner and rainwater gets in. One failed latch and everything shifts and smashes. One frozen hinge in winter and you're prying it open with a knife while your fingers go numb. You keep telling yourself it'll be fine this time, but deep down you know the next trip could be the one that costs you the shot of a lifetime, the client, or the entire kit. That quiet dread every time you hand your bag to the airline or toss it in the truck? That's the price you're paying for not protecting your gear like the pros do. Then I discovered the Pelican Storm iM2200 case, the black, injection-molded tank that military EOD teams, combat photographers, and Antarctic medics swear by. It's lighter than the classic Pelican Protector cases, but actually tougher in extreme cold because the HPX resin flexes instead of shattering. It's watertight to 1 meter, dustproof, has an automatic pressure valve so it never vacuum locks on planes, and comes with pick-and-pluck foam you customize once and forget. It's literally the case that survived direct RPG shrapnel in 2021 and kept 2 Canon bodies safe. This isn't just another hard case. It's the last hard case you'll ever buy.
The iM2200 is carry-on sized but built like armored luggage. 2 press-and-pull latches that work with frozen gloves, a Vortex valve that equalizes pressure on sketchy bush flights, and a shell that's been run over by trucks and still sealed perfectly. A combat photographer took shrapnel to the corner, case dented, gear untouched. Pelican replaced it free. A drone pilot checked it 400+ times, 0 cracks. An overlander dragged it across 47 countries, still floats, still seals, still looks new. Cut the foam once for your camera, drone, or pistol kit, and it never moves again. It's IP67 rated, submerge it, no problem, weighs only 11 pounds with foam, and has the famous Pelican lifetime warranty. They'll replace it even if a bear chews it. Bottom line, your gear goes in perfect, comes out perfect, no matter what the world throws at it.
If you're tired of holding your breath every time your gear leaves your hands, do yourself a favor and grab the Pelican Storm iM2200 case with foam right now, especially while they're running the lowest price I've seen all year. I've dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it at the top. Click it, throw your kit in, and go back to worrying about shots, not survival. 1 case, 0 heartbreak, lifetime guarantee. You've spent more on a single lens. Protect everything with the case the pros actually trust. Click now. Your gear deserves this.